Hey, this is Dan Nickerson on behalf of my partners Gene Pimentel and Michael Neal. Welcome to MetaDomainer. I'm going to keep this video short. It's just going to be a few minutes so you'll see exactly how MetaDomainer works and what it can do for you. And also, I want to let you know this is only a 5-day launch, so if you're thinking about buying, make sure you grab it now. It will be available later, but at a higher price. So first off, let me ask you a question. How long do you think did it take me to build this website, right? It's a basic for sale landing page template, right? It's got this, it's got the name of this, it's just a placeholder, example domain for sale. And then I get some links right here and some text, and I have a disclosure statement, and I have a copyright notice and a privacy and contact link. There's actually a cookie consent notice too that pops up. But guess how long? Minute? 2 minutes? No, this took me 3 seconds to make this page. So let's look at this one. This is an Amazon native ad page. It has ads for golf products, right? And it's got a title, and it's got a text, and it's got a button that goes to Amazon. How long do you think it took me to make this one? 5 minutes, 10 minutes? No, it took me 4 seconds to make this page. How long do you think it took me to make this links menu page? So this is a template, and actually what it does is it actually shows a WordPress menu. So I can put any number of WordPress menus and make my own menus and make my own links menu pages. So once I do that, how long do you think it took me to make this page? 1 second. So look at this page. This is a beautiful small business template, right? You look at this, it's a bootstrap template, it's got a title, it's got about, services, and contact. These all are quick jump links. I go to different sections of the site right here, if you notice that. I got some nice navigation icons and all this. How long did it take me to build this website? 15 minutes, 20 minutes? No, it took me 10 seconds. You want to know something really amazing about this page? Is look at this GT metric score for the page. This is the actual page. You can see it's got a 199% GT metric score, only 9 requests. Now these are not WordPress pages, these are actually Bootstrap HTML templates. So we're using WordPress to actually create Bootstrap websites. Pretty cool, huh? Now let me show you how this is done. I'm going to go in here. This is the main panel for the MetaDomainer. This is my testing install, mydomainstack.com. So if you look here, you're going to see I have a bunch of different domains on here. I then have a download section, which I'll tell you about in a second. And I have a visitor count total section, which shows total hits and unique hits. I also have categories and tags. So from this one dashboard here, you can see stats for all of your domain inventory. You can categorize them all and organize them all by categories and tags. And you can download the actual raw code for these files. Now what's cool about this is that you would register a domain name, then you would go here and make the site. You can either forward and mask the domain name right to this page, which then basically gives you an instant site essentially within a minute or two of registering the domain. Or you can create an add-on domain on your hosting account and then download the HTML or the PHP file and upload it to that hosting account. If you use the PHP file, then you can remotely control all of the pages from this one install. So if you have 1,000 domains, for example, you can remotely control the content for 1,000 domains from this one install with no multi-site and no domain mapping. And so here's how it works. I'm going to click on add a domain. I'm just going to type in quick video promo, which is what this is, .com. So let's pretend I just registered that domain. I don't know if it's taken or not. I'm going to click on domain for sale. I'm going to click on the for sale category. I'm going to click on publish, and then I'm going to open this in a new tab, and there is my for sale quickvideopromo.com. The contact us and make an offer buttons are already linked to my default contact page and make offer page for my domains, but I can fully customize them using different fields on this setup. I can list a price, a buy now URL, a contact URL. I can choose a menu, custom meta titles, meta descriptions. There's a number of different fields in here where you can control different content for the page if you want. But if you want something simple, you simply add the domain name, then you pick a template of all these different templates that we have, and then you can add in some text if you want to, and then you simply publish and use the URL. So that is MetaDomainer in an overview nutshell. One thing that's cool, if you have a bunch of domains for sale, we also give you a short code which lets you list all your domains for sale on your website. So you can display them in a table form or in a list box style like this. But MetaDomainer is designed to be a platform where you can manage your domains, you can create websites, you can see the stats and do a whole lot more, and this is just the beginning. So we hope you join us today. Take a look around the sales page below. The offer is only for 5 days. There will be more videos. There'll be a YouTube channel if you have additional questions you can look at as well. But we already have a lot of very happy users that are in our testing phase. And so we have a quick 5-day launch. Hope you come on board. Thanks. Hey, it's Dan Nickerson. I want to thank you for checking out MetaDomainer recently. We've had a lot of success with the plugin, and I wanted to make a video to show how easy it is to actually get a domain name and to make a website using MetaDomainer. So I'm going to show you in just a couple of minutes. We're going to go through the whole process. So if you want to see me make a small business website in under a couple of minutes, just keep watching the video. And I also apologize, I'm fighting a little bit of a cold here, so hopefully I won't be too irritating here. So I'm inside of MetaDomainer right now, so you can see I have all these domains. And what I'm going to do is, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Gene's Name Snagger list. So this is one of the offers that we have as an upsell. It's access to Gene's Name Snagger list. I've actually already pre-selected a domain from this list today, and it is Woodlawn Roofing. So see, Woodlawn Roofing is available as of right now for this domain. I did check to make sure. Now, why is that a good domain? Let me go to Google. And I'm going to type in towns. You can see I already did it just to make sure I wouldn't go crazy here. Towns named Woodlawn. So these are all populated towns named Woodlawn. So you can imagine that there's a lot of businesses that are in these towns. I'm not going to look up the population right now. Now I'm going to go to GoDaddy and I'm going to type in woodlawnroofing.com and I'm going to click to see if it's available still. And it is available. So I'm going to add it to cart. And I'll get a discount when I check out because I'm part of their club. I'm going to continue to cart. I will end up blurring out some of this stuff, of course. I don't need privacy protection. I don't need a website from GoDaddy. I don't need anything else. I'm just going to continue to cart. And I'm going to complete my purchase. So I get my discount. I just did 1 year. And I am now registered. So I'm going to leave this right now. And now I'm going to go into MetaDomainer. I'm going to click on Add Domain. I'm going to type in woodlawnroofing.com. I'm going to choose the small biz template. I'm going to go to my drop-down menu right now. And I'm going to select my small biz placeholder, and I'm going to type in Woodlawn Roofing, right? And it said, I'm going to say, this could be your domain, okay? That's all I'm going to do, and I'm just going to type in your about information. And under here, I'm just going to type in your services. Okay. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my media library. And as an upsell, we give you all these different graphics packs. So you can see here is a one with a roof. So it's actually called Roofer 2. I'm going to copy this link, but you get all these images. So I'm copying this link. And I'm going to go back here. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to type in company name, Woodlawn Roofing. I'm going to type in Woodlawn Roofing, your local roofer, just as an example. And we provide free roofing estimates. So I'm just going to do that. Finally, I'm going to paste that image in here. And now I'm done. I'm just going to check that this is the small biz template. And I'm going to click on Publish. And now I'm going to view this page. And you can see now I have Woodlawn Roofing. This could be your domain, call to action, about, services, contact. These are jump links. So I have this page already built. Now I'm going to take this link without the about. I'm just going to go back here. I don't need that little hashtag. I'm copying that link. I'm going back to GoDaddy. Let me go to Manage My Domains. I will blur out some of this stuff here. Showing me all my domains. I'm going to scroll down to Woodlawn Roofing. Come on. Come on. There's Woodlawn Roofing. Now I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to click on Forward, forwarding my domains. is HTTP, not HTTPS. And I'm just going to paste that in. And let me get rid of the that there. And I'm done. There we go. I had an extra slash on the end. And I'm going to do forwarding with masking. And I'm going to type in Woodlawn. I actually need a new this because I'm doing forwarding masking. And I'm just going to say your local Woodlawn roofer. And I'm going to leave the keywords blank. And I'm going to click on save. And I am done. Now, will this come up right away? Probably not. Let me check though. So I'm going to check and see if it comes up right away. Okay, the site is now live. It took me about 30 seconds. I used a little flush DNS trick to make the site come up live quicker. And so if it doesn't work for you, you can just restart your computer and the site should come up within 1 or 2 minutes if you're on a major ISP. So that's how you use MetaDomainer to make a small business website fast. You find a great domain name, you register it, you add it to your MetaDomainer install, and you set up the small business template. Now, there are dozens of communities with the name Woodlawn. There's probably dozens of roofing companies that work in those areas. And so for anyone looking for a good domain, a niche domain for their roofing company, it's a valuable domain. You could sell this domain for $500 to a couple $1,000s, and you could throw in web hosting with it. You could throw in web design with it. And so that's why people like the domaining business. But whether you're doing it for yourself, for building niche websites, for Amazon ad pages, or links pages, or affiliate pages, MetaDomainer is a great solution, and that's why it's so powerful for domainers. So we hope you join us. Hope you become a MetaDomainer today. If you've already purchased and you want to take advantage of some of the other offers, just let us know, and we'll point you in the right direction. Thanks.